Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check the browsing history on a Spectrum Wi-Fi router in 2026. So first of all, you just have to open your web browser on a device which is connected to your Spectrum Wi-Fi network. Over here in the address bar, you just have to simply type your router's login address and then simply press enter. So as soon as you do this, you will be landed on the login page where you just have to provide your username and your password, and then you will be able to basically log in into your account. So the interface is going to look something like this. Over here, simply tap on the option of the advanced. In the advanced section, you are going to see the option of system over here. So when you select the option of system, bunch of different other options will be enabled here. So among these, you just have to simply look for the option of the system log. Now inside the system log, it is going to show you your browsing history. So it is going to basically show the connected devices or a bunch of other information. So the important thing that you need to understand here, that standard Spectrum routers are designed mainly to manage the connections and the network security and not the detailed browsing history. So if you want to check the exact websites that you have visited, you usually need third-party parental control tools or advanced router monitoring software. So for basic information, you can definitely go ahead and follow these steps. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.